How to translate voice messages in WhatsApp. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily translate any voice messages in your WhatsApp application. Go ahead and open it up first. Once you open up your application, all you have to do is tap on the chat where you have the voice message, and then you're going to have to turn on the transcription first. I've already done that. So as you can see here, I'm able to see the text for the voice message. So how you can do that is just long press on the option, tap on the three lines at the top right, and then click on transcribe. Then it will automatically convert the convert the voice message into text. So once you have done that, just go back. And in order to change the language, tap on the three lines at the top right, then go to settings. From here, scroll down until you find the chats option. Now, right here, you have an option, voice message transcripts. So if you have this turned off, just make sure to turn it on. And then on the transcript language, just choose whichever you want. So let's say if I want to change it to Spanish, I'm just going to choose this. I'm going to go back to my chat and then open it again. Now from here, choose the voice option, tap on the three lines, and then go to change language. Now select Spanish, and it will show you the text in that language. So I'm going to do the same here. Tap on change language, choose Spanish, wait for a bit, and then it will automatically change the voice message to that particular language. You are going to have to download an expansion pack for the language, so that's how you do it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you guys on the next one.